Hi, my name is Mindaugas. I'm with Satos Computer Services. Today I have Toshiba satellite A205. Exact model number is A205S4577, and it has a problem. The problem is that the power socket is just pushed into the computer, and you cannot power plug and to make connection so you can charge your battery and you perform your routine work with it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open the laptop, take it apart. We're gonna replace with a new one power jack and put it back together, and this should fix the problem. Let's do that. You see these are broken here and here, so they cannot hold. When you just push the plug in, it just pushes down. These doesn't hold the jack from coming into the computer, so I ordered a new one. A new replacement for power jack with the harness, so we just get a new one and replace with a broken one. Here I have just a new arrived replacement part, power jack with harness. As we see, is it identical with different colors of wires, but everything is the same. So you see the difference, the broken one and the new one. Here's the broken, here's a new. We'll just double check if the original power plug will fit in it. It fits perfectly, so we're just gonna replace this one, and let's hope that it's gonna fix the problem. Now computer is assembled again back, and what we see, the trouble is in bad power supply. I got client's power supply. The green LED is on. It means it works. It should have power. Let's check it out. How much volts does it have? It should have 19 volts to work correctly. It has 15.71. That is not enough to power up this computer. Now I got original HP power supply. It's the same plug, and it has 19 volts output. Let's see how much this one gives us. And you see it's 19.91. That's the voltage we need. That's the voltage we need to power up this laptop. Let's take this one, the old one, the old plug. We see it doesn't power up the computer. Let's take HP power supply. Remember, we don't have battery now. You see the light? Oh, you don't see. But actually, the light is on, and we push start. Computer powers up. I did tune up for this computer a lot of things, so as you see, its power is so fast. It's a pleasure to see, and I hope my client gonna have pleasure to work with it now. It's Centrino Duo Intel processor, and runs on Windows XP. So for Windows XP system, this is pretty fast computer. As we see, everything works. So the problem, power supply and jack. I replaced the jack. I'm gonna use the new power supply, and computer will be fine. So again, my name is Mindaugas. I'm with Satos Computer Services. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.